So I'm going to show you how to use the object eraser tool or magic eraser tool on your OnePlus 15. So this is basically an AI tool that's used to erase items or objects or people from photos that you don't want to appear in photos. So go to your gallery and pick any photo. I'm going to pick that photo. And let's say, for instance, I want to get rid of this house behind here. So what you need to do is tap on the edit button. And on the edit button, tap on AI editor. And then you can choose the AI eraser tool. Now you can choose whether you want to draw on that particular item. For me, I find that that's the easiest way to do it. So I'm just going to quickly draw over that house like that. And it's going to pick out the house, remove the house, and repopulate that part of the image. And you can see a comparison of before and after. Before, after. If you like it, tap on done, or you can try something different. Thanks for watching and good luck.